Hey guys, how you doing? So today, unfortunately, I have another video involving Honda recalls. This one is the newest one. It seems like every week they're having something going on, but this one just came out, and this one's going to affect a lot more vehicles. This one affects more than 300,000 Honda Accord and HRVs, and it affects the 2023 to 2024 Honda Accord and HRVs. So this is brand new vehicles here coming off the assembly line that have these issues where they're doing the recalls. And if you guys know, the recalls are involving a safety concern. So it's a major thing. It's not something that you can just live with, because the potential for something catastrophic to happen is pretty high on these things, especially this one. So I'll read what it says here. And this was just from a couple days ago the Honda released this. So, and it has to do with the seat belts right here. Okay, so what they've noticed is that some of the seat belts are missing the pretensioner rivets. So see how this locks up here? A lot of these won't do that. So if you get in an accident, when it reacts really fast like that, it stops and stops the seat belt from expanding any further, which holds you in place, the basic design. They won't do that, so it'll just keep coming out. So it'll have pretty much no impact as far as if you're in a accident. The seatbelt won't do anything to hold you in. So a pretty major issue here, especially with the brand new cars. Like I said, I see a lot of new Honda Accords rolling around, so a lot of them might be affected. And it brings out here, they're going to start contacting owners starting January 8th. So we're talking about a month away from right now. And then they can take their vehicle to a Honda dealership and they can have it inspected. And then if it needs it, they'll replace the seat belts. So again, I want to bring this to you guys because it's kind of important, especially if you just bought one of these cars. I mean, these are brand new, 2023, 2024, and the seat belts might not work in them. So, you know, what I would do if I owned one of those is I would take it, the seat belt, and you pull really hard on it and see if it locks up at all. You know, you have to pull pretty tight, like pretty hard against it, but it will lock up, or it should lock up. You know, like if you take it, that won't do it right there. You have to pull really fast and it locks up. And if it doesn't do that, I would contact your dealer and see what they can do, because there's no reason you should drive around with a car with a seatbelt that will not work. So it's kind of does nothing. If it doesn't hold stop like that with a tensioner on it, it's not going to do anything to hold you in an accident. So I would do the test myself. Just check it, see if you can get it to lock up. If you pull on it really hard like that, it should stop. So, because I mean, another month away, that's kind of a major deal. I know they have to wait to get all the parts and stuff, you know, with there's delays and all that kind of stuff. That's why they wait a while before sending out letters, so they doesn't slam the dealerships. But personally, I would check it myself and see if you can get it to lock up. If you can, I would probably go to the dealer and see what they can offer you as far as maybe a rental car for a month or whatever, something, you know. So no reason to risk your life if they already know there's an issue with it. So again, I just want to bring that to you guys since it's brand new. Maybe you guys heard about it, maybe you haven't. Let me know in the comment section if you heard anything about it. I'm a little concerning because, like I said, I don't like bringing these videos as far as, like, it kind of shines a different light on Honda. You know, they've been having a lot of recalls just not too long ago. It was the other issue they had with the V6 engines could be damaged by not being built correctly. So, I mean, a lot of manufacturers have issues right now, but it's a little concerning. So definitely something to keep an eye on. And I'll bring these up, these videos to you as soon as I find out, just so keep you guys in the loop, okay? So again, I hope everyone's having a great day out there, staying safe. I appreciate it. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks again, everybody.